brain capacity is unlimited. By Cocktail Sakdevan, MD. Hello, my name is Nolani Hernandez, and I'm an AP research student. AP research students are responsible for searching multiple research databases and collecting credible sources that can be used to inform the public about important topics. And the important topic that I'll be informing you about is the three most complex parts of your brains. Everyone has one brain for their lifetime, and it is important to understand your brain's functions and how it can make other people react. The first part of the brain that I'll be talking about is the cerebrum, which is the largest part of your brain and has the largest amount of tasks. According to Cleveland Clinic, the leading medical clinic in our nation, the adult brain can weigh from 2.6 pounds to 3.1 pounds and makes up an 80% overall of the brain's volume. Now, to understand this large part of our brain, I'll divide it into four sections: the frontal lobe, the parietal lobe, the occipital lobe, and the temporal lobe. According to Johns Hopkins Medical, the frontal lobe can be found at the front of the brain and is colored in blue. It is responsible for personality characteristics, decision making, and recognition of smell and speech ability. And is often the last part to be developed. The second part of your brain is the parietal lobe. It is often found in the middle part of your brain. It is responsible for personal identifying objects, spatial awareness, and also involved in interpreting pain and touch and in understanding a spoken language. The third part of your brain is the occipital lobe, which can be found as the black part of your brain, and it is colored in green. It is responsible for sight. The fourth part is the temporal lobe, which is the one colored in pink and is found on the sides of the brain. This is responsible for short-term memory, speech, music, rhythm identification, and some degree of smell. The next complex part of your brain is the cerebellum, which is the one colored in purple. Graduates at the University of Miami and Miller School of Medicine state in their book, Neuroautonomy in the Cerebellum, say that the cerebellum plays a special role in motor movement and balance control, as well as muscle tone and muscle activity. However, researcher Maya Stellan, in her book, The Cerebellum and the Cognitive Process, supporting studies in children, say that cognitive disabilities such as dyslexia, ADHD, and ADD are responsible in the cerebellum. The last part of the brain is the brainstem, which can be seen as a long, kind of pink part. According to the National Cancer Institution, the brainstem and the spinal cord are connected. The brainstem is responsible for breathing, heart rate, blood pressure, hearing, walking, talking, and eating, the basic functions of a human. In conclusion, there are three complex parts of your brain: the cerebrum, cerebellum, and the brainstem. Each have their set of complex tasks that are different to each part. As stated earlier, your brain has an unlimited capacity, so the only thing that is limiting you is yourself. Thank you.